This section introduces the project as a sandbox for experimenting with various chart types using recharts, detailing the inclusion of basic to complex charts while emphasizing configurability and responsive design. The motivation section explains that the project was developed as a prototyping tool for visualizing pension data changes over a specified age range. It highlights the choice of recharts for its compatibility with React Native and its rich features for data visualization. This part outlines the installation steps, including cloning the repository and installing dependencies using PNPM. Acquiring the necessary packages is essential to set up the project environment for further development. The usage section details commands to manage the application, such as starting the development server, building for production, previewing, and running linting, indicating essential commands that developers need throughout the development lifecycle. This section lists the technologies employed in the project, including React, TypeScript, recharts, Vite, and CSS modules, highlighting their roles in building a robust front-end application with enhanced type safety and modern development workflows. The code structure section showcases the implementation of a basic line chart, explaining the use of the line chart component with specified width, height, and data sourced from an array. It also illustrates transforming data through code map, code, to format it for chart use, a vital technique for the correct display of visual data. Continuing on code structure, this part illustrates a multi-line responsive chart using the responsive container, line chart, x-axis, and y-axis components. The explanation includes how to set properties such as code, data key code, and visual styles, detailing the customization options for multiple series, and ensuring the chart adapts responsively to its container. The demo section provides a visual representation of the application, showcasing various charts in action, giving readers an overview of the project's capabilities and what to expect from the implemented features. In points of interest, the text emphasizes important aspects such as the necessity of CSS for layout management of multiple charts, the critical role of data transformation for compatibility with recharts, and the use of responsive container to ensure adaptive charts. It also notes the importance of structured data for multi-line charts, which is essential for achieving visualization accuracy. The references section lists valuable documentation links for recharts, React, and Vite, providing readers with resources to further explore the technologies used in the project and deepen their understanding of the tools and libraries involved.